Hey, this is just nothing. Range bound.
Come on. What is going on here? Hey, there we go.
6
Okay.
minutes.
Market direction class at 11. Me and Ronjo, noon. Taylor, 1.
One or two? Oh, Tyler.
What?
Too many Taylors and Tylers.
Taylor, Tyler. We got Taylor, Tyler.
Tylers. Take your tots.
I'm the dummy. Guys, I don't have any of my trade buttons on because I'm not trading this. I don't think you guys should either.
Well, I guess if I'm going to pick a day to be distracted, today was a good day. Huh?
Yeah, yeah.
No kidding.
I didn't miss anything. Say that again.
No kidding. Not a lot. I mean, honestly, we had that one long trade, and a couple people took a chance on the second long trade. And after that, we were like, nope, no more of that.
Yeah, I caught 90 bucks there on that little second one. I caught in a little late, but that's maybe all I do today because I'm way too distracted to trade this.
Yeah, there's nothing to be traded right now.
We need to be trading this one.
No, this is. No.
It's a bias down. I mean, it's almost trend neutral. We're almost bias neutral right now, to be honest with you. That's why I'm not doing anything. Who asked that? Lincoln?
If it breaks and holds below 10, my bias might be down. That level, that 10 level.
Yeah, I mean, it would have to stay below the zone here, which is an area of support as well. If you look at 15-minute chart, like I put that line there for a reason.
Kind of getting a wedge forming though.
10.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was talking about that while you're gone. That we had a wedge. Break of the wedge is going to happen pretty soon. You got a wedge on multiple time frames as well. So
if you put a gun to my head, I might say probably looks like my bias would be down, but I don't.
IM's up, ES is down,
yeah.
NQ's neutral.
NQ's
neutral.
NQ's neutral.
If I had to say that I've got to pick a
what
direction,
is a wedge?
I would probably have a slight bias to the downside.
Yeah, that's what I just said. If you put
What
a gun to my head, I'd say down.
Have you ever taken a piece of iceberg lettuce, Tobias, cut it in quarters and put some blue cheese on it?
That's good stuff there.
That's a wedge.
And they charge you like $9 for a piece of iceberg lettuce with ranch dressing on it. Or blue cheese.
Goodness. Yeah, I know, it's so silly. With some blue cheese crumbles and
30 cents worth of food.
I'm waiting for Tobias to reply before I tell him whatever a wedge is.
He said, okay.
No,
he's like, okay,
it is just what it is, Tobias.
Look at Boss Hog's
stop screwing me.
screen.
If you can kind of draw a big wedge, like
right there.
So multiple time frames. You got this like big wedge here. And you could even squeeze it up into something like that.
You can even put it on.
So when the chart pattern makes a wedge, actually I'm gonna leave that on for now.
Triangle squeeze. There you go. That's another way to say it too.
Triangle squeeze. Here we go.
Based on a breakout. Yep.
Yeah. So basically, Mark answered for us. Basically, and then you got it on different time frames too. Look, you got wedges on the tick chart, wedge on the range chart, wedge on the 60-minute, bigger wedge on the 60-minute. So when you see that type of price action, guys, and you have wedges everywhere, you're almost, I'm not going to say almost, you are guaranteed a breakout. You're guaranteed. You can't do that for much longer. So we're guaranteed a breakout. That's one thing. When the breakout comes, we don't know. But probably.
I'm guessing in 30 seconds.
You think so?
I'm going to say 4 o'clock today.
4 o'clock?
No, I'm.
Oh wait, oh,
We
the
got
wedge, a
freaking
wedge
good.
in
You're
line.
talking on the bigger time frame.
Oh, I thought he was talking about a wedge
Yeah,
line
yeah.
with tequila.
You're gonna get a bigger time frame breakout around 4 o'clock today.
No, that's a 5 o'clock wedge. He's going to be talking about that
Yeah.
wedge of lime.
Oh,
Wedge of lime in his Corona. Here we go. Showtime.
and we're off. Newer trader.
No time. First short
Wait
time.
6 minutes.
No time like short
No,
time.
you are breaking that. You are breaking that
Okay.
too late now.
Yeah.
But you broke that.
Now to the upside.
line,
For
yeah.
now, just for now.
It's
Trend
still
line.
got. It's still got.
Trend line break. Boss,
Yeah.
did you do it again?
I think I no, I did
Plenty this
not.
time.
I did not.
Whoa.
I think it's just a fake out right here. I
This
think
is
it's
the
gonna
first
go
time I've
down.
looked at. No, I'm not
that's not-
confident. I mean, what we see this
No.
little push up on the
I
open a
took
lot
it.
to sell it off.
I
Took
did
it long?
take it. I did on the breakout. Yeah, the trend line. Trend line.
Yeah.
I
You
thought
showed up
about
at the
it,
at
but
the
I
right time to do it.
Yeah.
Also, I
That's
tried it
enough.
at
And that's a
9:13.
flat.
Let's see if we get
I'll
get any
take it.
kind
It was
of.
a
and the-
small trade.
There's nothing happening on the YM right now. It still hasn't broken out of his wedge. There's a big wedge on the YM as well, too, isn't there? Yeah, there's a big wedge on the YM as well, guys. You're going to see a breakout. That's going to happen. I would not call this a breakout happening right now
No.
on the ES.
are you flat yet, Coach Paul?
I am. Yeah, I'm flat.
Today, man.
Yeah. I had a feeling it was going up.
I'm
Come
on
back.
the board. I'm on.
I think sure.
Just wait for the valid setup.
That was the reason I did that. I waited for it. I got right there. Waited for the reverse.
It did. It did. It was a good one. It was in
All
the
right.
zone.
I mean, if we, again, what was the plan this morning, guys?
It's a two-way trade. today.
Treat this as a
Somebody's microphone.
These
is
numbers.
going.
Somebody give me some numbers. You guys stop.
I'm stopping at 17 3/4 right now.
Two-way trading.
Two-way
Until
trade.
10:30.
Give me some numbers.
Break 17. Stop at 17.
Waiting for a long setup. What's that called? If you're not in the trade, you're not trading. What are you going to do? Trade in the middle? Don't do it.
Do not
You're not
diddle in the
trade
middle.
right now. You're not trading right now. You're waiting.
Nope,
So
nope.
look at the numbers. Give me numbers, people. That's what I'm asking for. I do it every day for you guys. Every day we start with a range. Every single day, I go to my charts and I look and say, okay, we're going to treat this as an inside range bound day and trade from both sides until win. And I give you numbers every day. You guys, it's your turn. Come on, people. Show that you know something. It's better than losing money in the market. I promise you that.
Yeah.
So give me some numbers, guys. Give me some numbers.
I might not know.
I know. We got,
There's a few people
We
here
got-
should know that.
holy crap. Do we add some new members, Paul? We got like
Yes.
200 people here, guys. Come on.
We got a bunch of
What do you
people
do- what
here
do you do?
today.
150 people. Yeah. What do you guys do? Okay, thank you. 620. Okay. So above 20, I would do a different. I would have a higher number than that, but that's probably a good starting point. There you go. Michael starting with it. So above 20. So above the upper zone, Michael says. There we go. We can put that in the plan. Above the upper zone. You are really on the long side. Thank you. I like that number, Bryce. 4 is a pretty good number. To 24, that's a pretty good number. Below 610, I actually like that.
610 is the number I like. Yeah.
I would go with Jim. That's the
609.
number I gave yesterday, Jim. Jim, did you write that down from yesterday? About 16. 609. I like that 10 number.
Yeah,
6,000, 603 is what I gave 6,003 yesterday.
I got 10 etched in my
Oh,
computer.
Okay. 59.94 is one I could really look at, Bob. Below that, I do like that number, 59.94, because that is the actual low. So if you want a tighter area, thank you guys. Thank you guys. Now we're doing stuff, right? So now, if you want a tighter area, you tell yourself above this zone. All right, I'll bring everybody to my ES chart, and we'll go to do the same thing on YM. Thank you guys for participating. All right, so everybody's here. If you really, really want to be a patient trader, you say, okay, I'm not going to trade in the middle of this. I will wait for price to stay above this zone or below this zone. If you really want it tight. Now, again, we do know those upper and lower levels are pretty strong here, which is, again, why I have those in zones. If you really, really want to be conservative, you trade above here long, obviously, easy. But I would like to short from here. 630, I would really like to short from. You trade below here long, short. This would probably be a great area to get along from. Why? Well, people bought from there before. Still not showing that zone. That's the zone that doesn't have me 100% sold on, but it's worked. So people bought from there before. So you just got to think about it that way, guys. Pick a side. If you're newer to trading, you pick a side that goes with the trend or momentum at least.
Yeah,
If you're struggling to be profitable,
momentum.
you don't trade an 8-9 that looks sideways like this. You don't do that. You wait, patient. If you're struggling to be profitable, you don't trade this market. That's all there is to it. What's that?
I said, and that's the reason none of us have our auto traders on. I said, am I on? Yeah, I'm on mute. No, I'm not on mute. I said, that's the reason none of us have our auto traders on, because this is not tradable right here.
Bingo.
And I know a couple of the guys that are in here this morning, some trials came in to see specifically the auto trader, but right now we are going to wait till this thing gives us some clear direction. Boss, you in anything?
No, I'm just sitting
waiting
here.
too?
I'm just sitting here.
Okay. I like that 610 area. Yeah, 614. Yeah, 614, 610 mark. That's kind of my wait and see what happens area here. We'll get something. We're patient. We always hear one of Boss Hog's stories. Of course, we lose half our trials though if we do.
I was gonna say that they would leave.
People be exiting the door.
What are we doing in here?
All right, here we go. Let's see what happens here. If you get a sell signal, I mean, excuse me, wow, but you got that pivot right there.
It's a nice short to get in though. Had somebody.
Yeah, what line was that, Mark? 614. Is that the line you're talking about? 10. Okay. Yeah, break and hold below 10. Going to probably sway the way I'm thinking.
My bad. I mean,
now you're getting a bounce though, so
the bias is short. I mean,
yeah,
momentum rolled over. You know, bias is short. So yeah, that big rejection wick right there. Tried push up. But
I just can't do it. Gotta wait. Be patient. Patience pays, people. Patience pays. It's wanting to go.
It wants to come out of that zone.
Mm-hmm. There's
And
your break now. See if it holds below 10. YM down in the zone.
yes, it did the same thing, didn't it?
Yeah, it's gonna break. Yeah, yeah, Mark. I don't disagree with that, but it's got to break and hold. There you go.
Yep. That was what I was waiting for. To come out of that zone.
There's your break of 10,
And the YM also.
and the YM also. Yeah, I passed on it. I'm
There we go.
today. I chickened today.
I
Chicken
didn't
today.
have no choice. I had to take it. I said if it came out of that zone, y'all take it. Well, I didn't say y'all take it. I said when it comes out of that
Now
zone.
bounce back up. Might. Took it back when it gets back up to 10. There's your short. Anybody short
Yeah.
besides boss?
Come on, y'all. I said
Taylor,
come
nice,
out of
Taylor.
that zone. Good job.
D, nice. All right, we got a few people. Got a few. Hold on to it. Maybe gets down to 02 area. 03, 04. Yeah, there you go. Look at that. You're getting your move. Getting a bounce on NQ. Bounce here. Now, if it comes back up, I'll take it short.
I don't blame you.
I'll get in this thing short. I'll turn my auto trader on short if it comes up. Let's do that. Let's do that. Let's do that. Mark, you short? I assume you are. You've been talking about it. Nice. Nice. It was a valid short. I just, again, like I said earlier, I've been distracted. And when I'm distracted in the mornings, I don't have focus. I very, very cautious about getting a trade. Doesn't mean I can't talk about it, though. Oh, there you are, boss. Good. Oh,
Which chart is showing?
oh, Mark, why'd you get out? Where's your stop, boss? About 08, somewhere around there. 07? Or are you tighter?
Actually, I'm just sitting out there to pivot on the YM.
I'd leave your stops. Yeah, that's what I say. That tight. That's a little tight on your stop there, Mark. I'd leave your stop back around 07, 08 if you were still in it.
Yeah, I got it.
This could break down.
Yeah.
Now you might could want if it breaks down here, you can bring it down to
I got 6
06.
3/4.
Yeah, 6.5, 6.5, 6.5. Yeah.
And when you stop down on your YM also now to probably
6.5 YM maybe 79.
78, 79. That's where I got it. 78.
Leave those stops. Don't choke those trades out, guys. Don't do that. You're leaving all that money on the table.
Okay.
Yeah, Ed. Yeah, we are at the low.
All right. I'm on.
Now you might get
I'm gonna say
here. Now you might get a bounce. Yeah, that's good. Still good trade, Mark. I wasn't saying it's a bad trade. I'm just saying you got a little tight on your stop. Hey, you made more than I did. How about that?
Break up. The
You
ends
had
will
another
break
shot.
that
It came
line.
back up, Ed. You could have got back in. And I'm
Yeah.
gonna sit this one out till I get a little bit more focused.
I want it to break its previous
You're
low right
probably
here.
gonna get a.
Yeah,
You're
yeah,
probably gonna get a
I'm
little
getting ready
bounce
to go.
up.
Yeah. And flat on the S. And get ready to be flat on. I'm flat on both of them. I'm done for the day on both. That's it.
Good. Good trading, though, boss. That's good. Anybody else? Everybody flat. Everybody still in it. What about Gracia? Are you in this, Gracia? Did you go short? Because this would have been a good one to work on that stop management that we talked about yesterday. Okay, that's fine. That's no big deal. I missed it too, so.
That's going sideways.
Yeah, it's going to run like this and either break up or down, right? Let's see. Hey, I'll get my trade. I know that. I mean, I'm all right. I'm up. I'm up not much, $128, but still green. And if that's all I do today, I'm okay with that. Here it goes.
Yep.
There she blows.
There's definitely a reason we had the button off, but now
You're muffled, Brian. Brian, did you take it short? I'm curious.
no,
Yeah.
not to though.
We only talked about that 10 level.
Yeah. I mean,
There's
I said when it comes,
plenty of warning to take it. I didn't take it, but a couple people in here did.
A couple people did.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, a few, actually more than a couple. Bunch of people took it.
Might be making a little double bottom here. I mean, we knew this is a good support area, so let's see if we get a decent sell signal here in a second.
Maybe a first touch with a sell signal, but I would wait to see something, some sort of confirmation. An M.
I mean, there's several zones up here. Since, all right, I'm gonna go there now.
YM getting a pullback. You're getting a sell signal on the YM. But
And you're coming from a zone on the YM.
Yeah.
I'll look on that. I'll look at that as well too.
I would also wait for some sort of. I would really like to see an M. But you could take it. It's a valid sell signal.
Starting to set up.
Mm-hmm.
Starting to set up nicely, guys.
It looks like it wants to, so we'll see. See what happens.
Just trying to sell it.
And that's why I would rather wait for like an M or something.
We get kind of an M to start to form here, as long as this next candle doesn't go above this, six. Wow.
I don't like. Look at the stochastics. I don't like when it does that.
Yeah, that's not playing very nice.
That's not playing nice. Just hold off, guys. Just wait. We don't need to.
It's going back up to that 610 probably.
Yeah.
Right around 610 before it does anyway.
Okay. Auto Trader put me long on the YM. I don't know why, Brian. Can you explain that to me?
Huh?
The Auto Trader put me long on that arrow, but why? That doesn't.
What are you talking about?
Look at the YM,
I'm looking.
and it put me long.
Must
The
have
Auto
just
Trader,
whipped into that zone.
no, there's no
That didn't-
zone there.
That's interesting.
You-
That
I mean,
was a winning trade,
it
though,
worked.
isn't
It
it?
was a winning trade, yeah. But
It's a
I get it.
winning
I'm not complaining, but I want to know why it put me in right there. Shouldn't-
That's
That should have not have put me in. Did it take you? Did it put you in too,
fake.
Travis?
No.
Travis, did you take the YM long right there? Anybody's Auto
Scalp
Trader
long
YM go
time.
long?
Look to sell from here, guys. That's how I
Yes.
would look to sell from.
Yes.
Let's do it.
Yes.
Let's do it, baby.
I like
Let's
that.
do
sell
it.
signal. There
Look
we
at
go.
that.
There we
Another
go.
winning trade from the Auto Trader. Boom chakalaka.
There we go.
Anybody doing it with me? Anybody doing this with me? Anybody at all? Let it be flat. I'll do it again. Come on,
Yeah, I'm
baby.
gonna tighten this
Run,
up.
baby,
I want
run.
that back.
Good job, guys. Good job. I did say it. I gave you guys plenty of time. This is where we would sell from. We planned this out before I walked away. At least, what time was it? At least when we planned this trade out? Back here? Right before I walked away?
Yeah.
We planned this trade out. It worked. How about that? Probably go a little bit further too. Might want to try that again. Might want to try it again. Other account ready to go in this too. All right, let's do that. Target's off. Did it again.
I asked my
Yeah,
both
buddy.
of them going. Both of them going now.
Yeah, buddy.
This is definitely it for me.
Did that again. I'm gonna go to break even now, guys. There you go. I'm gonna go a couple more ticks down. Let's go to 6. What's the middle of that M? Well, it's 8.
850.
25. So let's go to 8. Yeah.
I'm actually going to go to. I'm actually going to go to the.
850.
850 is where I'm at.
850. How many people are doing this, guys? I said we're gonna do it again. Let's do it again. Run it back. Should have it on the YM. Should have it on the ES. Everybody should have it all around the board here, guys. We're gonna get a runner. We had to wait until almost 10 again today. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Where'd you get in at?
I did twice. So the Auto Trader got my M on in at 10, and then I got right back in at 9:25.
I got back in at 10.
Oh,
Just as it come out of the zone. That's where I had it.
one tick lower here because if it comes back, it's gonna come all the way back.
That's the reason I'm down. I'm down to 6.0. I'm down to 7. It's probably gonna get me right here. So,
Yeah, that's. I think it's gonna come back.
yeah,
Let's
that's
tighten it
it.
up.
Absolutely, I'm done for the day.
Boom.
Yeah.
There we go. Boom. Good deal, Pickle. Good deal.
I'm holding. I'm holding.
Good
Let's hold.
job.
What's call stops in, Paul?
I'm leaving it at. God, you guys are killing me. All
Where
right.
were you at before? 825?
Yeah, I was gonna hold it, but I think you're right. I'm gonna.
Well, now you have to use. Now you have to use. 8.
Yeah. 8, 7, 7.
If
Okay.
If it's 8 is the only.
I'm gonna
place
leave it at
that-
8. It takes me or it
Yeah.
doesn't.
Yeah, 8's the only place that's gonna be protected at that point.
There's nowhere to hide here.
Yeah. If it goes past 8, it's gonna go all the way back up anyway. So
I'm just trying to get a
You
little money and catch
might
up with
have
you
a good
guys.
one on your hands, though. I mean,
Yeah, I'm just trying to catch up with you guys.
it breaks out. Look, I've had 3
I'm
trades
done.
this morning. 4.
I'm
Sorry,
done.
I'm gonna count this as the same trade. I got back in the same setup twice. So
I'm-
really
I
3
tell you.
trades. So 4. If we really want to be technical, 4 winners, 1
Nice,
loser. I mean,
boss.
3 winners, 1 loser.
Yep.
And the
Yep,
first
I'm
loser
done for
was
the day on that.
ill
You'll see that.
advised.
Oh. I've had
Yeah.
2 trades. 2 trades today. Both of them winners, and that's gonna be it for me.
Nice, boss hog in the house.
I can't put those kind of numbers up, but I'm all right. I'm
Nope,
still
I
happy. I'm
can't
still
either.
happy with what I
Yeah.
have.
And
I
I thought
am
I was,
happy with what I got too.
and I thought I was rusty.
Is there anybody still? No, did you change your name? Is that your cousin, Rusty?
Rusty.
Rusty, yeah.
Rusty hog.
Rusty
Rusty hog.
You 725 now.
7. Yeah. Well, yeah. I'm
725.
775. I'm at
It
775.
comes
But
back into
720.
yeah. I'd say
Yeah.
it's going to take out 775. It takes out
Yeah, that got
725.
me. I couldn't move it fast. Well, no, it didn't get me. It did not
That's
get
fine.
me. I'm at 775. It didn't. I'm gonna leave it here, Brian. If it takes me, it takes me.
Waiting on a possible long, Travis. I don't know if I would be doing that just yet.
Not right
If you get a
here.
decent W down in the zone around that same area, that 6,000 level, I would look at that, Travis.
Good job, Paul. Good job.
If it's not a decent W, I would stay away from it. Still be short on the YM. Got a couple people asking about that. Your stop's 135. And if the YM breaks below the pivot, it's going to run down. If the ES breaks down one more time here, it's going to run down. So we did have the breakout. I mean, I didn't catch it because I was away, but definitely had the breakout. We can get rid of this little trend line now.
ES needs to break down below 3 to stay down.
Don't take me. I'm out.
Decent direction.
I was out. All right. Still good though. Not complaining.
Well, I mean, again, guys, we planned this all earlier. Everything that just happened, we planned earlier today. Did we not? Did we not plan all of this over an hour ago or somewhat almost an hour ago, guys? Yeah, we did. We planned this out. This is how you do it. You create a plan. You guys are the ones that gave the numbers. DFD, that's the way we do it. Lamont, DFD. In for the day.
Clear's-
We get
clear
5 or
as
6
day.
people saying that.
Good
Lincoln,
job,
did you take
Lamont.
this? Nice. Who's that? Lamont.
Lamont.
Nice, Lamont. Nice.
Dang. Gracia.
Yeah, I've done that before.
That happens. Here we go, Lincoln.
Lincoln, you did not take it? Okay.
Oh, I thought he was.
See? Watch this thing break. And
All right,
I was
Lamont's
just a
done for
little
the day. How many
too
people are
tight
done
on
for
my
the day
stop.
yet?
Oh, I'm done.
Still green? Good. How many people are done for the day? How many people are done? DFD, done for the day. Anybody? Come on, guys. There's got to be a few of you.
Well, you know, Stretch.
Not me yet.
You're
I'm
what?
ready. Okay.
Red-
Bryce
That's
is
red.
ready.
Bryce.
Uh-oh.
We can
All
work
right,
on
how many
that.
ticks you need, Red? Bryce?
Yeah. How what do you need, Bryce?
How many ticks you need, Red?
Sounds like an old dog name. Old Red.
Oh man, don't. That's why bear flag trades are never your first trade.
That's
So you can't be what are you more than just one stop loss then, Bryce? All right, Mark's in.
Yeah, it is
Yeah.
hard when you're having a good day, but that could
Sometimes
easily
it
turn
is.
into a bad day, though.
that's it. He tried to catch
That's
that
why
ball at night.
today, I'm up a little bit over $500. I will risk $200 more, and if I go down $300, I'll keep $300. Call it a day.
You broke
No,
the
That's the
that's-
pivot
thought
on.
process we have
smart.
to have, guys.
Yep.
Both. Yeah. Ooh, man. All right. I mean, I would say short now, but I don't want you doing another bear flag trade. But this is
See it.
definitely sellable.
If I'd have left my stop at 850, I'd still be in
There
this
she
trade.
goes.
That's what happens when you get too tight. And now watch this thing just see ya. All right.
Stop was one tick too tight, huh?
I should have left it. I again, my mind's not right today, man. It's just I'm not thinking straight.
Well, you're green, so
I am green, yeah. And I'm playing
keep it at that.
and I'm
Keep it at
probably going to be very, very, very cautious.
I would like another decent little sell signal here, and I'll sell it.
Yeah,
I mean, I know people are still short on YM.
Oh yeah.
You guys
Yeah.
need your stop
Well,
on YM.
I was gonna say if you need to stop, put it at just put it right there below the pivot.
Yeah, let us know if you need to stop. Just put
just type an
type
S
in
in.
S.
Yeah, type an S in YMS.
92. Leave it at 92
Okay.
right now.
Yeah, that's literally exactly the number I was going to say. 92. You figure out a place to get in this ES.
There you go.
Well, I'm going to try this again here. Yeah, that's not the $200 on my wrist, though.
And right
These
here,
aren't the noise you're looking for. Feature this. There's too much congestion down here. I'd rather break
I
through
would
than
hold off. Yeah, and
yeah. Rather break through first.
it's going to come back up to 5 because it's got to fill. Maybe around 5, I would take it.
Good, one contract. Yeah, this is a one contract kind of day, guys. You just wait patiently for your setups, like we have already, and make money on probability. Isn't that amazing? That we can make money just based on probability alone?
For me, today is a testament to sticking to my plan and being patient. Because, well, you know, the old me would have already traded 100 times. Got it to just desperation. Well, good test for me. I like days like this.
Yeah, it's consolidating too much right there. Way too much. It's gonna break out.
Send your message, Paul. All right. Well, the markets have crawled to a halt. So
Trade.
nice, Jim. Good.
There you go, Jim.
Bud.
One trade, good enough.
Keep it, keep it, keep it.
It's all good.
Wow.
It's always a timing thing, you know.
Same here, man.
And anything's going to go wrong for you right at 9:30 in the morning, right? Right when you
So,
can't happen
what
at 4.
It's what I have to deal with my parents all the time.
Yeah,
Man.
it's just my daddy's.
Ooh.
Yeah. See, I was looking at that.
Who's
I really want to break down below this, guys. If it breaks below the zone and retest it,
y'all
I'm
are
gonna
killing me?
bet the farm.
It's got to come up
mean-
to 5 for me.
What's that?
It's got to come up to 05 and then like just right there. Come on now.
Well, I'd like for it to break through, and then again on the YM, guys, you're below the level that I gave you guys on the YM. So you're definitely looking at selling anything that rallies on the YM right now.
There was.
Just
Travis,
give
you
me a reason.
still looking long?
No,
I mean,
there's There's no reason
They
to
got to
look
be doing
long.
that, Travis. Yeah, I wouldn't have, look at this. There's nothing clean here. I mean,
There it is.
you could have gotten a few ticks out of it. That's a tough one. Go long when the momentum's down, trends down, broke the wedge, broke the multiple time frame wedges to the downside. A lot of confluence to the downside there, buddy.
Counter trend, counter momentum, counter everything at this point.
The only thing you have here is support, right? So break of this support level right here. So we call it 6,000 even, right? Something like that.
I'm short 05.
Oh, you turkey.
I told you. I said it 3 times. I said
Yep.
it's got to go to 05 for me.
He did 05.
I couldn't have said it any clearer, I don't think. Well, I'm out now, but that's all right. It's still 3-point.
Little
move.
scalp.
Yeah, I'll take it.
Okay, Gracie.
Yeah, made it
Look,
into
there's a
this.
swing there.
All right, Gracie.
At,
Have a good one.
550.
Good job today, Gracia.
Good job, Gracia.
See, I was too tight on my
See,
stop.
that?
I'm too tight on my stop. It took me out, and this thing's gonna go.
Short.
Man, that's what's killing me today. All right.
You're still green.
Yeah, but I'm leaving money on the table. It's like,
If that's
I'm
worse than
becoming.
that,
I don't know if you noticed it, but I'm becoming you. The more I trade, the more and more I don't move my stops. Like it's getting to the point where I'm leaving them. Sometimes I don't even. I just leave them from the
a
original
little
entry.
far back. Yeah.
Yeah, because I really.
Well, once
have
you get so
noticed that-
confident in your setup,
yeah,
I mean, that's. I
mean,
mean, that's why I leave my stop back a lot of times
I'm
because
just
I'm so
leaving money on the
confident that it's
table.
gonna move.
Really starting to preach that to people too. So
Well, again, it comes into knowing, right? You know, I gotta leave that
I
back.
mean, look at this prime example right there. I was quick to move my stop and left 3-4 ticks, 5, a point and a half. Well, this one's actually been up.
Continues down. Not
Yeah.
be a losing trade. But yeah, I mean, when you're confident, like you know your statistics. We talk about this, guys. Like this class we did
Know your numbers.
last
people.
week or 2 weeks ago.
I think it was 2 weeks ago. I missed it because it was 2 weeks ago.
Having proper expectations. The only way you can really have proper expectations is know you're okay. That's a losing trade. That's it for me, guys. Told you I was gonna risk $200. There you go. I risked more than that.
There's your long, Travis. Double bottom.
Like you knew that was
zone.
double bottom. Did he do it?
I don't know. I'm
do
just saying there. No. Okay.
Oh,
I think we scared him out of it. I think we so much talking, we scared him.
Oh,
he had
yeah,
a call. Well,
dang.
I mean, it was.
I mean, again, I did say when we were talking about it, I did say if you get a clean setup and it bounces off this area, it'll be okay.
I mean, it's a valid entry. Counter trend, but it's a valid entry.
So if it can't push through there down, we know that we are probably going to settle into a range for a little while.
Yep.
It's gotten 4 or 5 times. Well, I mean, count the number of candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
5, 6,
8,
7,
9, 10, 11,
8.
12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I mean, that's a lot of contracts to not push through that area. So somebody's really
First touch.
I mean,
stochastics.
somebody's I can imagine somebody's loaded up that many short contracts that they want to get out there, go longs, but somebody's buying. Somebody's really buying from that area. And we do know the markets do like those even numbers, right? All right, your stop on the YM, somebody just asked me, is now at 86.
Yeah.
Good job. You guys that are still in the YM, good job. Way to be staunch with your stops. Man, there was a sell signal right there that I really wanted to look at too.
I just said
Heck, damn
first
it.
time.
Sorry, guys. I was looking at the YM and I was meant to tell you to take that sell signal.
Nice hook of stochastics. Yeah, that
Yeah.
I
Crap.
missed that. I missed
Sorry about
that.
that. I missed for the
definitely
day.
missed it.
And if this breaks through, this will be the telling moment. I mean, this is an interesting thing. I mean, if it breaks, got to go. What's it got to go below? It's got to go below 99. So below 99, you gotta have to bet the ranch that this thing's going down. At least to 92. I know that that's not far, but it's just about the only thing we have the gauge on. And really, really, somebody said it earlier, really below that 90 area. If it gets below that 90 area, then you have to bet ranch on the short side because there's nothing holding it up for 20, 25 points. Guys, you got nothing holding up the market for 20, 25 points if it gets below there. I would be gladly patient enough for it to drop below 90, get a decent little sell signal and ride it for 20 points.
If
Who would do that with me?
I got it
Who would
on
wait?
98.
Yeah.
If it,
Okay,
if
98.
it goes
Whatever.
below 98, yeah. If it goes below 98, it's
Somebody had 95 earlier. It's that area. Anywhere below that. Who would be willing to do that with me? Anybody? Lamont says that yes. Anybody else? Greg says yes. Wait, what? Travis is on a phone call. Okay, cool. Then let's do that. Let's be patient traders. If it breaks below 90, you can go with 98 with Boss Hog. I'm a 90. 90 is my number. Breaks below there. Get a sell signal. I'm betting ranch dressing. I'm a, every single account I have on that. Because there's nothing holding up. So we shall see. It surely is real tempting to look at a short too pretty soon. Like the 98 number is kind of tempting there, Boss Hog.
Mm-hmm.
The more I look at this.
Yeah, right there's going just enough to get you in there to probably take you back out, just get you stops. But if it breaks
What did you say?
98, I said right there at that zone, just that they're coming down just enough to take your stops out. I think if it
Yeah,
breaks
well,
98, it's going to go down. Yeah.
the original base was at 98.50 on the move up, so that's probably a decent number there. Wasn't high of that. Yeah, 98 to 60,001 was the original base. So right here in the zone.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Here, I'll show you guys real quick what I'm looking at. Does anybody know what I'm looking at? Tell me when and where. Who knows what I was looking at? Who knows? Didn't want to kind of call the counter trend W, but there was definitely a counter trend W, guys. But I mean, when price action is really respecting the 89 like this, I tend to not go counter. I just tend to not counter. It's usually a good sign when price action is really respecting the 89 that it's going to go in that direction. Usually a really good sign. Trends change. Seasons change. People change. Those comments were brought to you by Butt, the original Scratch and Sniff. What's that there, Bryce? Oh,
job.
are you still here, Bryce?
Good job, Sandra. Good
That
job.
one just hit me.
Nice.
Hey,
Nice,
good job,
Sandra. Nice.
That one hurt.
The drinks are on you tonight. Woo.
Yeah, she had to show off.
Yeah.
Dang,
Now you're making me feel bad.
no
It's like,
kidding. My five,
I'm gonna crawl back in my hole. I'll see you later.
$500 here.
Jeez. And here I thought I was all happy.
Yeah. 2 days in a row, you've crushed me there, Paul.
That doesn't happen very often. I'll take it.
Still green. Still green, though. Still green, baby.
I'm getting there green. I'm green. I'm nice. I would say nicely green, but I'm green.
I think I'm going to try this one more time. Just push to six. What did it push to? 6,000 even?
All right. All right. You're going to make me do this. Let's see here.
I'm going to try this one more time with a decent sell signal.
And come on, HMA hook. Stochastic's a little higher, but there's
No.
I think there it is. I think we missed it.
All right.
If you're trading into that zone right there, so that's, I mean,
All right. It's about to go now.
There it goes. Now it's starting to hook.
Somebody's holding it here. Somebody's been holding it here for a while, too.
Come on.
Nobody answered my question. What was I looking at?
There you go.
Yeah.
Target's
I
off.
said I was going to try it again, guys.
I'm in it.
What else did you think?
3.5.
3 even for me.
I took that little inside the HMA MM. Anybody else take it?
There we go.
Short 3. Good job, Tobias.
There we go.
Travis, Ka, good job, people. Now
You guys will try it
come down
again.
here and
Anybody
break.
else do it? All you guys did it good. Okay. Now let's just see if this thing breaks through this time. If not, we put the brakes on. Never mind. That was silly.
If it doesn't break, put the brakes on.
Come on. Hey, how many times are you gonna knock on the door before you break through?
well, I know from experience, SWAT won't do it but one time.
What?
Oh man!
Oh, what?
God, we haven't had him around in a while. I
Team
can
only knocks
tell.
on the door one time.
Oh man! There go all the trials.
Oh my goodness.
See you later. It is true though.
Yeah. And they really don't even care if you're sitting there in your underwear with a beer or not. I mean, they just come right on in. Yeah, they're just like, hey. Oh, yeah.
Come on, break through this. Let's go. I think it's a real good trade. I'm leaving my stop back here. And
I'm at 3 even on the stop here,
break
guys.
even. I'm right at break even, 3.5. If it takes me, it takes me.
I'm at break even
$50 trade. There we go.
Here we go. It's gonna
There
break
she
through this time.
goes.
Looks like, guys.
There she
Here
goes.
we go.
That's it, people.
There we go.
You call them up, Art. Thank you. Thanks,
And,
good guy. We really appreciate you. Let's see where this other stop needs to go. That down to 225 now. And this puppy's gonna probably take off here in a second, you would think.
I told you when it broke, it hit my cell signal at 98. And it's going.
Stay in it, guys. Stay in now.
That's what I said. Boom.
Stay in now.
There it is, people.
There you go. Going for a ride. There's the auto trader for the win. Let's see. I'm going to use 6,050 cents.
Why did this auto trader put me in here? Oh, something's.
You need a boss hog story.
Why?
Which one? We need a false hug PG story.
PG, there is one.
He doesn't have a PG story. All right, Bryce. See you, buddy. You're not short? Man, this was the short that
Been talking about. Yeah.
was hauled around the world. All right, let's use I'm being conservative because I'm green.
Brian, look at that,
Money.
please, and tell me why that put me in there. That's twice now.
Hold on a second.
All right. We need to.
I got two. Look, I'm managing trades on two different. Give me a second.
Oh, you just lock in your stop and look at my thing instead.
That wait a minute, this didn't even come out right.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
All right, now stop's gonna be at 98. What is that? 98.75. 98. 98.75 now.
Yeah, at the top of that swing.
That's too tight. Jumping around too much on me. There we go. Hang on a minute, Paul. I'll get that. Look at it in just a second. I got stops to deal with here. Okay, here we go. All right, now we're good.
Bubba J, what's happening?
Hey, Bubba J. Set your money.
Doing good, Bubba. Hope you are.
Oh.
If I said I just ride this kid, continue riding this one down. She's been holding it that long.
Answer that question, Paul.
No, it's not. It's the new one.
Huh?
Tyler. Here. And it, so here.
Tell me which program it is. Nice, Ed. Job, guys. This thing should have continued to fall, but again, what did we say? What was the number I gave you guys? I gave you guys a number here. We should probably move these zones too, shouldn't we? The zones. Where's Tobias? You say the Germans are coming.
The Germans are coming.
The Germans. It's the Germans. Would have really thought that this thing would have fell by now, right?
Good job, Nelson. 3 greens.
It's another slow signal coming, guys. Nelson, nice. All right, keep it. Keep that money. Thank you. Good job. Yeah, send that. Definitely send that.
No, send them both.
Email, and we'll talk about it on call today.
Yeah. Yeah.
Talk about it on call today. Take.
Yeah.
Do you have screenshots?
I've been noticing that the last couple of days, so I'm just wondering.
Was that where his zone was before? No, it wasn't.
No, there's nothing there. It was on the YM too.
Welcome to Liberty Trading Club, everyone. Miss Paulina here. Hopefully you've enjoyed our live stream of our trade room today. If you're interested in learning more and joining us live in the trade room, you can use the link in the description below to start a free 3-day trial. Look to see you there. Please like, subscribe, and share.